Having an issue with your email in Shfit? Follow along with us to try some of our top email troubleshooting tips to get you back on track. Step 1. Update to the latest version of Shfit. One of the first things to check is to see if you're running the most updated version of Shfit. Head to Quick Settings in the top right and scroll down to find the Check for Updates prompt. If no update appears, head to our Release Notes section in our Help Center. Our latest release should be at the very top of the list. If you're not on the latest, you can download our newest version directly from the website. Step 2. Double-click the email icon in the top right corner. The next thing to try is to refresh the email page by double-clicking the email icon in the top right corner. This will be the Google icon in Gmails and the Outlook icon in the Microsoft emails. This should refresh your page. Step 3. Hard refresh Shfit. You can give Shfit a hard refresh by holding down Command-Shift-R on Mac or Control-Shift-R on Windows on your keyboard to hard refresh. Shfit will close down and automatically restart. Step 4. Delete and re-add the email. In this next step, you would try to remove the email and re-add it to Shfit. To remove an email from Shfit, you will right-click on the email in your sidebar and select Delete Workspace. Please note that this cannot be done for your primary Shfit account. Next, you'll want to re-add this email, and to do this, you'll locate the plus button in the lower left corner and select Add Workspace. You'll type your email and log in. Step 5. Ensuring your 2FA is supported in Shfit. The next thing to look out for is your 2FA. While most 2FA protocols should work in Shfit, sometimes they may be unknowingly flagged. If Shfit is getting stuck on the 2FA screen, try temporarily disabling 2FA and retry signing in. Step 6. Clear the Shfit browser cache and cookies. To look at your browsing data, you will enter the advanced settings and find the privacy and security section. Here, you will locate clear browsing data, change the time range to all time, and select Clear Data. Step 7. Try a manual app data reset. A manual app data reset is a basic troubleshooting method that usually helps resolve a wide range of issues. If none of the tips mentioned are working for you, we recommend trying a partial then full app data reset. These steps are a little bit more lengthy. We have them listed out on our knowledge base, which will be linked down below. Thank you so much for listening in. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions at all, be sure to reach out to us at support@tryshfit.com. We're happy to help.